Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing two toast recipes which you can use as a quick breakfast or a snack for your kids. This is super easy to prepare and very few ingredients are required for this dish. So I've got the ingredients list given in the description box. Let's jump right in. So first we're going to prepare a carrot cheese toast. So to make this toast, we are going to take some soft butter to which we'll add some red chilli powder and some tomato ketchup. And we'll mix all this together. Now we'll add some grated carrot to this. Mix that as well so that we have a spread ready for the toast. Now I've taken a brown bread and I've toasted it slightly from both sides. Now I'm going to apply the spread on top of this. Make sure you cover it evenly. Now we'll add some cheese on this. I've grated the cheese and I'm going to just evenly put it on top of the spread. Now on low flame, I'm placing this toast in a non-stick pan, or you can grease and then use the pan. Cover it and then cook it till the cheese melts nicely and the toast is crisp. Now let's move to the next one, which is a veggie toast with a twist. Now the twist is we're going to be using plain custard powder for this recipe. Yes, custard powder. I've also added a little bit of butter to this. Instead of custard powder, you can also use corn flour. I've also taken the vegetables which I had, which is bell pepper, some coriander leaves, spring onion and green chilies. I'm going to add some water to the custard powder and then put in all the vegetables one by one. We'll mix everything together. And we'll also add some salt to the mixture and a little bit water and make it into a paste. So I've toasted this slice of bread from both sides slightly. Now I'm going to apply the paste on top of the bread evenly. Now let's toast the bread once again. So again on a non-stick pan, I'm going to place the bread with the veggies side down. And we're going to cook this until it is nice and crisp. So once that side is done, we'll flip and cook it from the other side as well. And once both sides are crisp, the toast is ready to be served. So do try these two recipes at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.